aquí murió un policía, lo alinearon, aquí paró a apuntar para allá y allá lo alinearon y aquí quedó.
Buenas noches.
Arepa chocolate, arepa grande. Arepa grande, arepa
rellena de carne asada con pollo. Está rica.
¿Está rica?
Muy rica, muy rica.
Él no coma carne.
Te la hago con
Solo-
queso.
¿Vegetariano?
Con solo queso.
No, lo queso. Gracias. I want tomatina.
Gracias.
Pollo se puede. Frijoles.
Pollo tampoco.
You eat chicken?
Frijoles.
No, ahora no, gracias. Muchas gracias. They can made it with the beans as well.
But I didn't want to. No, I just
No,
for
no.
the content.
Yeah, just speaking, it's fine.
If I eat this, my stomach will be filled.
No, and we are going to eat now, so don't want to eat before the dinner. I haven't eaten the whole day, actually. You know, 'cause yesterday I came back home stoned, and I ate like a lot of cashew. You know, a lot of nuts. Where are you from? Where? Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Good afternoon. You here for some beer or you are here for food?
Italy.
You from Italy? Yeah.
Yes. Rome and Sicily.
Lazio, that's where Rome is, isn't it?
Yeah, the region.
I haven't been to Rome in a long time. Since before you were born, probably. Long time ago.
And
I was in Milan a few months ago, though. Nice.
yeah.
It's a beautiful place.
I never been actually, but because I'm from the south.
Yeah,
But
no, I know.
all Italy is beautiful, I think.
It is a good place. What are you guys doing here in Medellin?
Video, YouTube video.
Yeah, he's a
Now.
vlogger. Video right now?
Yeah.
I didn't even see that.
Yeah,
Where
he's
is
a
this gonna be?
YouTuber.
What's that?
YouTuber, you can follow his YouTube channel.
Yeah,
Like maybe
I'll
like
follow
in few years he will have 1 million.
it.
No, not 1 million, but 1,000.
1,000.
That's okay.
Well, you guys have a good afternoon, man. Good night.
Okay.
Nice one.
You too. Have a good evening.
So this is
Yeah, but now it's empty. Did you buy something for yourself here?
yeah. Or something.
Ah, this?
No, not
This
this,
one.
shop, but like I went to mall today, Santa Fe.
Okay.
You know Santa Fe mall?
Yeah, I know. I know. Ah, nice shirt.
Iba saliendo la orden, tú por la salida.
Leaving. Now it goes to Saint Javier. Gone. Very fast. Since it's Monday, I think most of the places will be empty. But
Yeah.
still we can see some light.
It's really early now. It's like
Even now
8:30. But we can see.
This is your favorite place, Andrea?
Not the favorite.